Hey everyone, welcome to Tutorials by David again. So today we'll be having a quick review of the Crest Whitening Emulsion. If does it really work or it's just another scam? If you have a sensitive teeth but still want a brighter smile, Crest Whitening Emulsions is likely your best bet for 2026. So unlike traditional white strip that can feel like zingers on your nerves, this is a leave-on treatment with highly active peroxide droplets suspended in a water-resistant base. The standout feature is that there is zero sensitivity formula. It hydrates while it whitens, so you don't get that dry, painful post-bleaching feeling. It takes seconds to apply with the included wand, and you don't even have to rinse it off. Results are gradual for this one, but effective. Most users see a noticeable lift in the surface stains within just 4 to 7 days of a consistent use. The downside is that it can feel a bit greasy on your teeth initially, and if you drink coffee immediately after, you're essentially washing your money away. It's also pricier than basic strips at around $50, but for the lack of pain and inconvenience of apply and go, it's a top tier pick for busy and sensitive tooth people.